Hello and welcome back. Now I'm just opening the Notepad++ and just teaching you some more things in PHP. Now this is the time to add some checks on it. Now first of all, I can say that if, now I'm just adding the if. Actually, for validating any kind of request in PHP, we have to use if or else. Okay, so here, and then what I'm actually doing here, I just have to use the isset function. Okay, now what this function will do, actually this function will check that if there is any variable of we just mentioned the variable. Okay, then the isset actually checks the variable which I just mentioned inside the parentheses of isset, and then if the condition will true, then this curly brace will run. So first of all, I'm just teaching you a new thing in HTML. Actually, maybe you know about that already, but the type, I'm just adding another type. I can add this type anywhere because it won't show to the front end. Okay, on the front end. So right now I'm just mentioning the type of it. The type is hidden. Okay, now what actually it can do, it just only for validating or checking the form. Okay, so here I'm just typing validate, or anything which you just want to type, you can type it here. Validate, I'm just typing validate. So here I'm just going, okay, actually I can send any data with this variable. For example, here I'm just adding a value and I'm just typing yes. Okay, now I'm just going to the validate form, and here I'm just typing is set and just typing, which is the method I just mentioned here. The method is post. Okay, so I'm just going to receive.php and post and square brackets, and obviously when I just mentioned the square brackets, then everything should be inside the square brackets with the single quotes or double quotes. By the way, here I'm just typing validate. What is this validate? This validate is actually this input which is actually hidden. Okay, and it won't show on the front end. So by the way, I'm just telling that if is set, it means if the post validate is setted, so this curly braces should run, or no, so nothing. So I'm just cutting this echo and pasting it here, and then just saving it and going to the browser and just refreshing this, and now you can see you can't see anything. Actually, you know that we actually didn't mention the validate yet, so I'm just going back and just refreshing that and just click on submit button. Now you can see that rf@gmail.com and rf pass. Now if I just refresh this page, now you can see that all the old query has removed. This is the rule of post method. Okay, that we have no ability to refresh the page, because as you know that this data is only for one time, because actually by using the post method we are just sending the email addresses, password is to checking or to login or something, so that's why. By the way, in this way we added a simple check on our receive.php. Now I'm just typing here else and echo, sorry, there is, and now a pause and this, and then a stop sign. Okay, now there is no request we received. Okay, now just save it and go to the browser and refresh that. Now sorry, there is no request we received, and I just click, if I just click on go back and refresh that, now if I just send something here like that and like that, submit, click OK, this is the thing. Actually this email is automatically validated just because of this type email. Okay, this is the new input type in HTML5. so actually we don't need to validate our forms in HTML. In PHP we can validate them on HTML as well. So by the way, I'm just typing @gmail.com to validate this form, okay, this email address, and click on submit. Now nope, you can see that the username is az and rf password, and if I just open the empty page, now you can see that sorry, there isn't any request we received. So this is really simple. We'll learn some more things in next class, so stay tuned and good.